Okay, we're gonna kick things off with Blood and Glory. This application is kind of like a fighting game. You have a sword and or a weapon and a shield. You could go to the store. You could buy different items. You got armor, swords, helmets, shields, and stuff like that. You could all buy and potions to restore your health. We're just gonna take a quick look at a quick game just to show you what the graphics are like. Graphics are very nice and well done, polished off and everything. Just show you this really quick. So this is like a tutorial. Press that to block, and each time you block you do lose like a point, and then you can attack him back. So the idea is just to keep blocking, and as you progress you can like dodge different attacks, and you could have potions to restore your health, which is really good. You get the general idea of it's kind of like in an arena. You got people cheering for you and stuff. Just show you. Quickly defeat this guy and show you. But you get the general idea of it. You have different characters go through. This is just the tutorial where it takes you through all the different features and stuff, and then you can start entering in actual tournaments and stuff. This game is really good. The graphics is polished off, and you can buy a bunch of different stuff with the money that you earn from each battle, which is really good, and you can pick this up free from the Android marketplace. The next application we take a look at is recipes. This is a great application to find different recipes. You could go into different categories, you could go into what's new, you could check the forums, you could even search for a certain recipe that you want using voice search or text. I'm just going to go to all categories. You got the different categories. Let's say we wanted dessert, we want ice cream recipes. Let's go for chocolate ice cream, and as soon as you open it up you'll have all the ingredients that you need to actually make the chocolate ice cream. If you scroll down it shows you, takes you through each step and what you need to do, very detailed. And also you could actually open up a picture to like see what it would look like at that stage. And also you have reviews at the top tab, so you could leave reviews or read other people's reviews and see if it is good, the recipe is good or not. And if you have any questions you could also leave questions and people will answer them, or you could add your own photo in as well. This application is really good. It's a great way to find new recipes, especially coming up to Christmas. You might want to try something new, and you can pick this up free from the Android marketplace. The next application we're taking a look at is Piggy Adventures. Just going to show you a couple of these levels. You have left, right to turn your character left and right. You just have to try get through it and click these little blue things just to get through. You see I pushed the stone on the button for it to open up just to get through here, and then you could click on the other character, move the other character along, and then you click on the other one, jump on him and get the other star, and then move both of them to the end of the level. It's just a really good application. Let's switch over. This one could jump up. You switch over to the cow. Switch over to this one. You could jump up and get this one. Jump this one back over. Push the cow to the end. Switch to this one, and then this one could jump over to the end. And you get the general idea of the application, or the game, should I say. You just have to try go through different obstacles just to try get all the characters you have to the end. So for example we've got 3 characters here and we just have to try get all of them to the end. So switch over to the cow, put that one down to get to the end, switch over to this one, can't push it, so you need to try and get the cow up there, or this one over there to try and get all of them free. But you get the general idea of it. It's a great application. You can pick this up free from the Android marketplace. The next application we're taking a look at is photo warps. This is where you have like a picture and you could warp people's faces and like mess them up and everything. If you want to reset it, you just click this and you like rub it over their face and then it just turns back to normal. You could also add like the swirling effect, so you could swirl their face in. You got just different effects. You could change the brush size, you know, how thick you want it, and just kind of mess up with people's faces. You could take a picture directly from your camera application and start editing it and everything, or you could use one that's stored in your SD card and then you could share it online through email, Facebook, Twitter and everything. This is a really good application, and you can pick this up free from the Android marketplace. This application we're taking a look at is Iron Wars. This one has campaign and multiplayer. We're just gonna take a look at the tutorial really quick. What you do is, like this robot, you have this little control pad to move around, and you press this one to shoot. Just keep tapping it to shoot, and you just have different enemies to take down, and you can collect health bars, ammo and stuff. So you just have to keep firing. It auto aims for you, so you don't have to move it around to aim. You just have to try not to die and just try to kill both of the enemies. And there's another one up there, you can see the little blue arrow that's pointing into it. So not only could just play the campaign of this, you could play it through multiplayer as well, which is really good. Get this health. Then the graphics as well are really good. You can see the detail of the floors and the walls and everything are really nice and sharp. You can pick this up free from the marketplace. The gameplay is good. It's very easy to start playing and get like stuck into it. The next application we're taking a look at is Caveman. It's another one of those running games where you just run. You just have to try use your axe or hammer and just try to kill all the dinosaurs and stuff. And you could actually throw rocks as well. And there's something that you can unlock where you just like swinging on a vine, taking out all the enemies. You do have free health bars at the top, so you could only get hurt 3 times before you end the level. You can see swinging on the vine right here, just takes out all the enemies. I think you go 3 times. But the gameplay is good, the graphics is alright. It's kind of enjoyable to play, slightly repetitive as these games tend to be. But nevertheless, it's still good. You can see you got your points at the top to see like how far you traveled. And you can, like I said, you can pick this up free from the Android marketplace. And the last thing we're going to be taking a look at is a couple live wallpapers. We're going to start off with, let's get it loaded up, Digital Hive 3. This is like a little ice cream sandwich wallpaper you could get. It is animated. It's not just like a wallpaper. You can see the, get to move different ones. You can see it moving up and down slightly. It's just very minimal animations, and it's got like a black background, so it won't use up much battery, but it still will. And it's just a great application, if a great wallpaper if you're just looking for a change. It's going to show you one more wallpaper as well. Mystic Night. Really good. You got the clouds in the background, you got the moon and the stars as well. Really good. And as you like swipe across, you can see like the clouds are moving as well. Really good. That's about it for the application, the wallpaper, shall I say. And you can pick this up free from the marketplace. And that's about it for the application review. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, tell me what you think, recommend me some applications for the next video, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Google+. Thanks for watching.